I've already washed all my farm stuff. I don't know why, but when a big storm is coming, I like for it all to be clean. Got that all washed up. And we're all full. About to get eggs after bed. Okay. I have laundry going now. I have weighed out 3 days worth of calf milk. Anything that uses electric, I'm going ahead and getting that prepared just in case we have the, I think they was calling for a 1/10. Now it could be up to a 1/2 inch of snow. So that would be detrimental to our power and all of our trees that are around. As you can see, that they're all around our house. So we're going to go ahead and finish the feeding and preparing. I'm going to make sure all the dishes are done. I want to make sure, look. That cardinal right there, he comes every day, hangs out with the turkey that lives right there. Hangs out every day with them. It's already starting to do something. So we're going to go ahead and get the feeding finished up, and I want to do a couple more things. I'll show you how we're preparing. I got the kerosene heater. I lit it. It's working great. Yesterday I went and got these 2 jugs of kerosene because you just never know if the electric goes out. We'll have to have a way to heat the house. So that's why we got that. I'm going ahead and pulling my truck in here. Way it's not covered up in ice. And also wanted to make sure all the batteries for my chainsaw, I got this for Christmas, battery operated. I want to make sure all of those batteries are charged up in case we do have trees are falling and we need to take care of those. I'm gonna just make sure all these batteries, if they're slightly not charged, I'm going to charge them. And hopefully this is enough to prepare us. I've got to get that, I don't know if you hear that ice hitting the roof of the garage, but I need to go ahead and get this feeding done so before it gets too much worse. Look at the ice already. It's only been a few minutes of it doing this, so this should get really interesting. We are prepared as best as we can be. I'm going to go feed the rest of the animals. How do you prepare? Do you have winter storms like this? Ours are usually not this bad. This could be potentially a really bad ice storm. Our, power lines aren't made for this. We have a wood stove in the greenhouse. I have to be very careful about the tunnel. I'm not sure how that will react, so I'll have to be really on my game to make sure it doesn't get too heavy on it. So I'll be watching out for that. Now all of our livestock water is thawed because we've been having these running because of the cold. So as long as those stay running, the water will be thawed at least until, if the electric goes out, got the water. If the electric goes out, of course, there's nothing we can do about that. Keeping it thawed, but at least we'll have that. And in the barn, it should stay thawed pretty well. We just redone the horses' water and put them a new heater in theirs, and theirs is kicking butt also and keeping it thawed. And they've got hay, and they're good. Here they come. Oh, yeah. See them coming? They don't like this weather either. Go feed the cows. And get in and finish my preparations inside. Ice storms. We've had them before. When our daughter was small, we had one and we was without electric for 2 weeks. Let's pray this doesn't turn into that, but if it does, we're prepared. We're coming in here to this is the potting shed where we have our starts. We've got bok choy growing. All this will be great in here. If the electric goes out, I will just start a fire. As y'all see some of the other video, makes it really nice. This is a biggest learning curve I have encountered with gardening, is this tunnel. It's like, I know things grow slow in the winter, but some things do really good in here and some things just don't. I'm gonna have to watch the ice and make sure it doesn't accumulate on this plastic. It's about 6 p.m. The ice has started. Still have electric. See how much we get. Okay, so electric's still on, heat's still on. Let's go check out this weather. Uh-oh. Door is frozen shut. Some warm water. Let's hope this works. And be really careful. You can just hear the poor branches sagging down, cracking. Luckily, we still have electric. Look at those branches on the ground. You all know, if you've watched my videos before, those branches are not to be on the ground. That's how heavy this ice is. And of course it's deceiving because it has snow on top of it. That's nothing but ice. And it's chilly. So it's not going to be melting anytime soon. Let's go check on the high tunnel. The tunnel. Oh, I hope it's good. Now it's got in your shelter good. It goes. A bigger house on the hill. Down there, but they like that little one. Oh, big person. Covering nice. Really happy to see that this plastic is still up. I was so worried about it last night. Not sure if we'll be able to get in here. Nope. Not yet. Trees. Okay, all my little seedlings are doing great in here. Doing wonderful. Good. And this is why we don't use electric fence. It would have been weighed down. All this ice would have weighed it down. Everything would have been out. Especially this is a lot of ice. Be very careful going through here again. Because those rocks are slick underneath. I know a lot of us are going to be dealing with ice now, today, and I'm thankful everything's okay. We checked on it all. Everything's okay. We took the proper precautions. The door handle, yep, it's froze, but that's okay. Y'all have a great day. Y'all come back. Stay warm.